Hi everyone, my name is Naomi Hartel and I am the STEM and Science subject matter expert for School Specialty. I am back again to talk about a fun STEM activity involving paper airplanes. So how this activity works is the goal is to fly a paper airplane 10 feet with the most cargo. So what is the cargo? Well, just a bunch of loose change. You can use anything that you want. I mean, you don't have to use change. This is just what I use. There's a little bit of weight to it, so you have to start having conversations a little bit about different forces. You can start talking about thrust, lift, drag, all those different components. You can have your kiddos do some research on that too. You can have them design research different paper airplane designs to see what is going to be the best to carry the most cargo. You're gonna tape out a 10-foot space. I've got mine in the hallway set up where I'm gonna go practice and try this out and see how I do. I just use a tape measure, marked it out, start and finish, and then we're gonna see how it goes. So join me as I work on this activity. All right, so here we go. Moment of truth. Try again. Test number 2. All right, so now that I know I'm able to get it to fly, right now, let me grab it. I have 75 cents. I have $1.05 right now. So that being said, now I need to figure out how much more money I can get on here and keep it flying. So stay tuned. I don't know what take I'm on. Here we go. Yes, I did it. So there you have it. You can try this as many times as possible, add on as much money that you can. My final total, so I've got $1. Let me make sure I didn't hide anything inside. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got $1.50. So $1.50 was the most that I could do. You can see the end of my airplane from the amount of tries that I did. But you can try this as many times as possible. There you have it, the Paper Airplane STEM Challenge. Let me know in the comments below how much money you got. Remember, I got $1.50. That was the best that I could do after a couple different tries. But you can work with your kiddos and see. If there's 2 different kiddos in your house or more, you can have them challenge each other. You can have them work together to see what they can do. Sometimes 2 brains are better than 1. If you're in a family like mine that was super competitive, we would have all tried this on our own. Hey, you can even do a challenge. The person that gets the most money gets to keep it. That would be kind of fun too. So lots of different things you can do with this challenge. I'd love to hear how you've adapted this, how much money your kiddos were able to get. Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for some more STEM activities.